Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bibi, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I do gel overlays on my natural nails. So I start by pushing back the eponychium and then scraping off the cuticles from my nail plates. Then I file my nail plates in order to prep them for the gel overlay. Then I apply the gel bonder, which helps your gel adhere to your nail plates and last longer. After all this preparation, I start applying the builder gel in the bottle. I absolutely love this product because it is easy to use, it is convenient, it does not spill, so it is perfect for all the beginners who want to start doing their own nails at home. And because I'm a beginner, I use the silicone tool to clean up the cuticle area before I cure, so I can have a neater look. Here I'm putting all 5 fingers on the lamp for 1.5 minutes to cure. After curing, I check to see if I applied the gel overlay properly before I proceed to remove the inhibition layer with the gel remover. However, this step is not necessary because the top coat adheres nicely to the tacky layer. Finally, I add the top coat, which seals my manicure and adds long-lasting glossiness to my nails. After I've applied the top coat, my hand will go on the lamp for the last time for 1.5 minutes. Lastly, I will use Also Heavenly's hand sanitizer to remove all tackiness on my hands. And this is the final look. Neat, glossy nails that will last me for 2 weeks.